I recently heard you say that your great hedge is your Bitcoin position. Is that how we all should be thinking?
Yes.
Really?
So I mean, this is for me, but if you have 5% of your net worth, there's only one thing they haven't, in a world where the government just prints money and 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 doesn't seem to have any consequences, sometimes that will end. And the only thing they can't make more of is Bitcoin. It's never been hacked. It has no real value other than there's 21 million coins, infinitely divisible. Gold really doesn't have a lot of value. You know, you can have your gold jewelry, but that could be silver or titanium or platinum. So, you know, in a world where there's infinite, where you could have the Weimar Republic, you know, we all have probably seen that. Was it Rwanda? What country was it where they have like 10 billion? Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwe dollar, right? So you could see the world saying to the U.S., especially with our political isolationism, that they would say, you know, China's going to try to knock us off the dollar standard. And they're going to have a lot of countries align with them with a bridge and tunnel, a road and tunnel, whatever you call it, program. So they're going to try really hard. It's very obvious. They're going to try really hard to break the dollar standard. If that happens and the dollar devalues, you need one thing that could hold its value. And that thing, literally in a scare, it'll go down with the stock market, by the way, and then, in my opinion, it will reverse. And it would go to $1 million a coin. It could do that. Because everyone, it's not U.S. investors, the whole world will look at one thing that they can't make more of, and that would be Bitcoin. So it might be, you know, there are other coins, but they kind of were there first. It is it has no function other than a store of value. So having a little investment in Bitcoin, I think might be a smart little hedge in your life, because your paper will be worthless, unfortunately. And I have like, you know, 2% of my net worth in cryptocurrencies, and a selection of them, something like that. Maybe 3, I don't know. But if it goes to 0, it won't hurt me either. It won't hurt you. But if it goes to $1 million a coin, you're going to look at the TV and get very upset that you didn't buy it. So